Facebook. You don't call look ya. You don't call you listen ya. You know, it's a long time no come on, but me was wife we chat to ya, man. Was wife we chat to. So you don't know say we get what I call Hurley that married. Hurley. If you tell you how my wife, Mavis, call me, tell me say, she got divorced me because we there for too long. That say she find man so she want divorce. I said, Jesus God Almighty, what type of man you will find? You there in Jamaica and you left you down there, you know say me a come back. You wait for me. He say, you find man. So you want divorce me. So me say, girl, stop with joke number, me don't know joking time now. You want to talk about me and you. He said, no, he's serious. I mean, no, smile to me. He said, girl, make sure say, me don't know nobody down there. Don't have to feel. Me don't know nobody down there. So nobody come talk about say me know. Me don't know nobody down there. He say, I'm my friend, my best friend, devorse. Jesus God Almighty. He say, they'll wash me walk for the water go down there. God Almighty, we can't believe say, baby should not do that to me. We can't believe. We say, we can't, we don't know. We can't do that to me. We can't tell me say, I can't be that calling, but we don't know how you can give me torture. We say, girl, so you give me torture already. You say, yes, and you do it good, better than me. We say, Jesus, God Almighty. You can't do that. You can't do that, baby. You can't do that. You can't do that to me. You can't do that to me. You don't know. What you want? You see me over here, so on my phone. You don't see me on my phone? Did I tell you I was crying? Did me tell you say me was crying? One over some man. I tap on my phone. Too fast.
Hello everyone, this is the big man himself, Jamaican Grandpa, and I mean Damien Pennant, aka Jamaican Grandpa, yeah, aka Don One also. But this is Don One, the Jamaican Grandpa. I asked because I love this vibe and I love to do what I do. Yeah, you don't know, say, me never really live with no grandpa, but my uncle showed me how to behave like a grandpa. Somebody else are going like a grandpa right now. And if you love a vibe, you gotta subscribe to my pages. My Instagram page is Jamaican Grandpa Speaks Out. My Facebook pages, Jamaican Grandpa Speaks Out. So, and then on YouTube, you could watch it on Don Pent, DONPENT. That is 2 words. So go there, like, subscribe, whatever it is, and watch the video. If you love it, let me know what I want, man.